Hey you guys, just thought I would come on here real quick to share with you my TEMU haul, or TEMU. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I wanted to open up with you and then to see what all this hoopla is about. But there are certain things that I do need and I work with. So let's get into our video. And I didn't open it. I wanted to wait till I got on my video to share with you. It's small. It didn't take a long time for it to come, so that was a good thing. And before I could actually go into the store, they kept popping up with these what is it, discounts, and you get this, you get so much off for this and that. So that was as far as I got. But I didn't want to get too much because I already have a few things. But now that I think about it, I could have went on into the store and looked for some things that I wanted to purchase and see if it might have been a little different in the price than Amazon. But either way, I still would have ordered it. So, and then again, I didn't get my orange bag, so evidently I did not order enough. But that's okay. I'll get a chance to do that. I guess I need to be a little careful here. So yeah. Oh, let's see the goodies. Okay. This is, I make my soap, and I wanted to have, I don't really have my logo picked out that I really want to use just yet. And they seal these things. They really seal it. Special type of tape, I suppose. And guys, you can use, if you're a crafter, you can use your bubble wrap to make designs in different products. So I was trying not to cut it up too bad. So this is what you use to it's it's a wax melter, and what you do is you want to make a seal on your envelope. You put a little tea light candle under here, and then you set that there. You cut your wax up, you put it in there. Then when you, like, if you're with your envelope, I don't have a stamp out here, but there's also a stamp that goes with it. I have my stamps already. So you would pour your wax, a little dot on the seal of the envelope, and then you would take your stamper and just press it on there for a little while, and then that would make a pretty stamp seal. So yeah, I thought that was nice. I don't have my receipt, but I didn't pay that much for the products that I got. They were very reasonable, so I really appreciate that. And I know I will be ordering again. I hear so many negative things about ordering online, but where we gonna order? Where are the stores? We gotta order somewhere. The craft stores, the fabric stores, everybody closing down. So we have to be able to purchase things someplace. Oh, this is the seal. It was called, oh boy, I forgot the name of it, but this is smaller, and they have this at Dollar Tree. Guys, just hold on one quick second. I don't mean to have to leave the camera, but I just want to show you guys something. should have had this in here already. I didn't think about it, but I didn't remember everything that I had. It's on my phone, and I'm using my phone to do my video, so I can't show you now. To show you the difference. This is the one I got from TEMU. This one came from Dollar Tree. It's called Space Tape. You guys probably have seen it. So it's supposed to hold down your rugs. You can mount a wall clock, any type of wall decor. It should hold up shelves, your kitchen gadgets, and bathroom accessories. You can see that picture. So yeah. So that's good. So now I have two. I bought two of these from Dollar Tree. And then I just got this one from TEMU. And I hope I'm not butchering up their name. Maybe when I come on here again, I'll have the correct pronunciation for it. Excuse me. Okay. Oh, I like this little mold. It's small, but that's fine. This is my Sexy Mama mold. So, oh kids, don't be watching. This is like, if I want to do like a small candle, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just this body of a feminine goddess. So yeah, I got that. I thought that was kind of cute. And they come larger, but I'm gonna use mine for my molds when I make my soaps or some candles. So that was nice. And I don't have the prices, so, but guys, I didn't spend over 30 bucks for everything that I did get, so you can kind of get an idea of that. Okay, now if you are a soap maker, if you are a candle maker, these molds are absolutely adorable. We use these for making, what is that cereal? Fruit Loops. So you take your colored wax and you would pour it into each section. You might have blue, green, red, yellow, like that. And then when you get ready to decorate your candle, you have your cereals. And there is fragrance that smell like Fruit Loops. So I won't take this out of the bag. I want to keep up with everything, because I am restructuring my work area, and I had quite a few things from other projects and crafts that I have. So I'm going through my things, and on my Facebook page we'll be doing some racks, and then there'll be a list. People can leave their name, and under their name they can request different items that they would like to receive that they may not have, to start crafting. And what I did, I started the group off with myself, and I wrote a list of things down that I don't have, so they can get an idea of what they can request. And that's anything. We're not asking for a silhouette or, you know, a big ticket item, just something that can get us started on crafting. So, you know, it keeps you from being so stressed out, and help you change your mindset with all the things that's going on in the world, and you can stay focused and work on things that will bring you joy and some peace, and just a peace of mind, take you away from what's going on. So, okay. So anyway, I don't have the name of this, and well, I have the name, but I don't know if I can pronounce it correctly. And I'll take this out, because the bag is a decent size that I can wrap it back in. I'm having my downstairs done. So I want everything to be organized, all my molds and, you know, everything that I need to work with to be in a particular area. Okay, this is the hand. It's that hand, and I'm not sure if it's called Hansa, something like that. But yeah, I finally got one. And they come larger where you could, I think it's like 3. You get 3 in a mold. But this one is nice because I get to see what I'm working with. And it looks like an all-seeing eye down there. I don't know if that's what that is, but yeah, I like that. That's nice. Oh, this is something that I definitely need. This is a lint brush. I used to have one some years ago, and it lasted such a long time. I don't know whatever I did with it, but anyway, now I have another one, and it's a pretty good size. Don't you hate to go out and then you have lint or something on your clothing? So that takes care of that. I'll probably wind up getting another one as well. Now this is goodies. These is what I'm really, really after. I see there's a code name. These are gray, but maybe when I get ready to work with them, I can get the names of some of these things that I ordered. I really can't find the, well, I'm gonna have to cut it at the top up here. And I just couldn't wait. I was just excited to see these things come in. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, these are like 45 possibly. And you know, when we're journaling, all these stickers are nice. This looks like grease. Eyeglasses. This is a little newspaper. Do you remember, I don't know if they had this in your town, but we used to have a little miniature newspaper, our Milwaukee Journal Sentinel, and we could get a little copy. I have to see if we still have those, and I will be adding that to some of my crafts. This one says, only the educated are free. Now, there's a reason that this was said, and it's a true statement. Only the educated are free, and that's the truth. This one says, she's an old soul with young eyes, a vintage heart, and a beautiful mind. So these are really nice, really pretty stickers. Paper heart. So the crafters know this is quite a few stickers. Gee whiz, butterflies. This is called an old time phonograph. And this here old building, I don't know. It doesn't look like a Sears and Roebuck. It could be. It could be Marshall Fields. It could be a number of different stores. But yeah, these are really nice quality stickers. Yeah, give me something to play with. So yes, when you're journaling, you don't want to have to keep searching and cutting out and fussy cutting all your little decor that you're going to use into your planner or your junk journal, whatever you decide to make. So these are nice. I don't know which way did I open this. I can't get them back in here. Oh, there we go. Nice. Keep them nice and neat. Okay, this is really awesome. The diploma. I don't know if you can see that diploma and the graduation hat cap. So these are going to be nice embeds that you can put in a candle, or also you can add them to your soaps. And I'll probably be adding some to my soaps. And they also make nice miniature wax melts for graduation. And that time is, you know, fast approaching, so we want to have things ready to go. I don't think I have to take this out. It's kind of stuck in there. But yeah, this is really nice. And the detail is really, really nice. I can see the detail. Okay, these were, not sure, envelopes. And I think that was like 45, 50 embellishments that I received for those stickers. So I didn't even get to go into the household items or, you know, other things that TEMU sells. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at all of this. I know this is way over 50. It's maybe like 100. It's just so many. Look at the beautiful birds. And I love this paper that it's printed on. And I have some rabbits, what I really needed, because I'm doing a pocket letter. And I can add these to the pocket letter. I don't know what this is saying. Take place of Lily Dream. Oh, it says a man is not old until, well,